Cardano has been one of the strongest performing altcoins this week, in a week where there's been some bearish momentum across the altcoin market. In this video, we're going to take a look at some analysis on potential entries and also my targets for this coin. Before I begin the analysis, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below, I will pin two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us. So looking here first at the daily chart, we can see that we are starting to see some consolidation above this previous resistance level. So this level here around 90, around the 90 cents level was flipped just midweek, so that happened on Wednesday, and we can see since then there's been a number of back tests in that area, which now looks to be holding as strong daily support. Now all the time this 90 cents area is holding, I can see a move back above $1, potentially up to sort of around $1.12, something like that, looking towards these range highs that we saw earlier in the year before the breakdown. So that can be sort of $1.12 all the way up to $1.24. So yeah, as long as 90 cents is holding, that would be my next target from there. Also on the daily time frame, if we draw from the highs that we saw back in December all the way through, we can see we have recently seen a daily breakout of this resistance. We almost did get a back test of that area, but not quite. So if we do see any sort of strong sell-off in the market and we get a move down towards the 85 cents area, that's really my first area of interest for accumulation on Cardano. I would envisage a potential bounce area, around 85 cents before looking to trade it back towards those $1.12 targets that I just mentioned. Before ending this video, I also want to show you the weekly time frame as well. And the price action on this has been pretty clean. So if we run the fibs from the lows that we saw in sort of April 2024 all the way up to the highs at the start of 2025, we can see how I'm not sure if you can see obviously on your screens on the video, but this area here, the 0.75 fib levels, provided a number of bounces, always a solid reaction from that area before continuing higher. Now we are testing here a level of resistance on the weekly time frame. I'll just draw this for you. So this is some downtrend resistance. We can see that we have pretty much rejected exactly from that level this week. This is an area to keep an eye on, either tonight at the weekly close if we do break above the $1, or looking into next week as well, because once this area is flipped, that's when we can expect a bigger move. So yeah, this is key for me. I'm actually going to set an alert on this level. Once this downtrend line is flipped, I think we can then trade back up even sort of $1.30, take out the liquidity of this wick that we saw towards the end of 2024. Let me know your thoughts, guys, on Cardano. Are you still bullish on this coin? What are your price targets long term? And I will see you on the next video.